All right, we're gonna be using this new palette that I got off of Amazon for only $7. Look how beautiful it is, you guys. It is, it's perfect. And we're gonna be using these travel brushes that I have off of Amazon too. I mean, I use these brushes for like all my makeup. We're gonna use them very simple. I'm a very simple makeup girl nowadays. So if you saw my other videos, you saw how I prepped my eye, like how I did my concealer, my foundation, and all that fun. If you haven't, go back because that's kind of how we got to here today. So I already put a little bit of powder. I put a little concealer on my lids. You don't have to. I just like to do that. But today we're going to do Desert, which is this little color right here, right? So I'm going to use this little brush. We're going to just do it on this side. So if you see like that, and I'm going to use a mirror that it comes with. Oh, I get to take the little plastic off. Isn't that so fun? It fell like, oh, it fell on me. Okay, so we're going to just put it on my lids. I kind of start here so I don't get too much. And then we're going to just kind of sweep it out, and we're going above my crease. So kind of going to, like, if you see right here, we're going to just blend it out to there. And then once we have like barely any on, we're going to take it to blend it back here. So if you see that, super simple. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Just kind of blend it. It's kind of fun. It's like interesting doing your makeup when you're filming because you're trying to get the angles for you guys to see. So I feel like I'm kind of like, and we're going to move, we're going to do this and all that. So, you know, the fun. Okay, so then we're going to just kind of windshield wipe it. And this is such a like simple makeup look. Okay, you could leave it like that, but I have some more time. So I'm going to use bronze. It's like the shimmer shade. And I'm going to use my ring finger. And you just kind of swirl, swirl with your finger. It is so creamy, you guys. And I'm going to press it middle of my lid, inner, and just kind of then sweep it. And go a little bit above, just like that. Just look at that, you guys. That's I love it. So middle, press it in, kind of windshield wipe, press it in. Go a little on the inside, go a little on the outside, and sweep it. Like, look at that. $7 for this palette. I'm like so happy because it's like all the shades that are for my tone, and I'm a true autumn. So I'm trying to learn like how to do my makeup based off of me. But you guys, like, if you want, what you can do to like take this up is, instead of going flat, go like that, tap it in, and then you can build it under your lash line. And since I have you guys, I'm just gonna kind of use y'all like a mirror and kind of go for that. But if you want to brighten it, you can always use like a different brush. You can use like Sunset here, and I could just do a little bit on my brow bone. Okay, so Sunset, just do a little bit on your brow bone. Otherwise, it was this brush and my finger. And look at that. I'm done. That's my makeup look. So then we're going to add mascara, and I'm going to show you that. So we're going to go to the next video though to add the mascara. So this is the eyeshadow look.